Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Inside Bollywood. Today we are going to the review of the teaser of the Bollywood movie Gangubai Kathiawadi.
कहते हैं कमाटीपुरा में कभी अमावस की रात नहीं होती, क्योंकि वहां गंगू रहती है।
गंगू चांद थी और चांद ही रहेगी।
This movie is produced by Pen India Limited and Bansali Pictures and written and directed by the master Sanjay Leela Bansali himself, who is one of the best filmmakers that we have in India today. This movie is a biopic based on real life incidents which are mentioned in the book of the famous author Mr. Hussain Zaidi, and the name of his book was Mafia Queens of Mumbai. The teaser of the movie is extremely interesting and it has created a lot of buzz. It shows a young girl played by Alia Bhatt who's pushed into prostitution against her wishes, the trauma she goes through, and later on as the movie progresses she goes on to become the madam of the entire brothel house in a area called a red light area in Mumbai.
इज्जत से जीने का, किसी से डरने का नहीं, ना पुलिस से, ना एमएलए से, ना मंत्री से, ना भड़वू से, किसी के बाप से नहीं डरने का।
Teaser looks amazing. Alia Bhatt looks like the surprise. She looks really stunning, and her dialogue delivery, her body language, the way she walks is coming across quite amazing. She's given great performances in movies like Razi, Gully Boy, Highway and Urta Punjab. We all know how talented Alia Bhatt is, and she is going to surprise everybody with this performance that she's going to give. And under the direction of Sanjay Leela Bansali, who's a master storyteller, he's given us some great movies over the last 10-15 years, and you know, every frame of his is a treat to watch. You can make out in the trailer his settings, his lightings, his colors, his actors, his every small detail that he sees. Mr. Sanjay Leela Bansali, and the way he removes the performances from his actors. The story is very powerful. It's a true story, and it's going to really shake up the audience's core. I'm not sure how the single screen audiences are going to react to this movie, but it's definitely a city movie. The people go to multiplexes when they're going to see this movie. It's going to shake them up that something like that had actually happened with a young girl, and how she went on to become a powerful brothel keeper, as it will be shown in the movie. And the highlight of this movie, I can tell you, is because I have read the book, is that, and it's an amazing book. If you get time, do read the book. It's divided into several chapters, and one of the chapters is about Gangubai Kathiawadi. So the highlight of this movie, I understand, is going to be the speech that she gives in the end, in which she says why prostitutes are important to society. And I'm sure with Sanjay Leela Bansali being the director and Alia Bhatt the actor, is just going to be phenomenal. And when you walk out of the movie hall, I can assure you, you'll be questioning yourself, your beliefs, and you will change the way you look at commercial sex workers after this movie. Besides Alia Bhatt, there are some amazing talented actors like Shantanu Maheshwari, Vijay Raj, Seema Pahwa. So they are going to rock, and they are going to be the supporting cast. And of course, if that was not all, we have some great actors like Ajay Devgan, Imran Hashmi and Huma Qureshi are going to just add to the movie, and it's going to be some amazing watch. As always, the music and songs are going to be supervised by Mr. Sanjay Leela Bansali himself, and we all know the kind of music he gives, whether it was Bajirao Mastani, whether it was Ram Leela, whether it was Padmavat. So there are going to be some great songs and music and dances. The photography is going to be eye-filling. It's a 100% big cinema hall watch. You have to watch it in a cinema hall because they're going to be great visuals, as Bansali is known for, and it's going to be a treat to the eyes, to the ears, to the senses, and the story is going to be heart-wrenching. So it's a big screen movie, and you must watch it in the cinema hall. The release date, I believe, is 30th July 2021, and it's going to do really well, and people are looking forward to it. Sanjay Leela Bansali movies are always the most awaited movies. His movies come once in 2-3 years, and they're always the most anticipated and the most awaited movies. So the wait is going to be soon over in a couple of months. I believe people are going to throng, people are going to rush to the cinema halls, and it is bound to be a success to watch a talent like Alia Bhatt, the great story, Ajay Devgan, Imran Hashmi, Huma Qureshi and Vijay Raj. So all these actors and the music, the visuals is going to be a treat for the eyes. The visuals, the background music, the songs, the dances, the colors. So it's going to be a visual treat, and it is a movie you must watch in the theatres. This most awaited and anticipated movie is going to release on the 30th of July 2021. So we'll see you at the movies. Bye for now.